Hi everyone, my name is Marco and I'm from Fluke. Today, I want to talk to you about Fluke's first solar product, the IRR1 Irradiance Meter. The Irradiance Meter is the perfect tool to conduct comprehensive test and measurements in photovoltaic systems. It provides 4 key measurements all in one tool: irradiance, temperature, tilt, and compass degree. Irradiation is a critical metric to consider when conducting a survey or an inspection of a solar installation. The Fluke IRR1 Irradiance Meter instantaneously measures solar irradiance up to 1400 watts per square meter. In addition to irradiance, solar professionals need to measure temperature of surfaces of a photovoltaic panel. The Fluke Irradiance Meter comes with an integrated temperature sensor that allows users to measure the top of a solar panel simply by placing the unit on the surface. To measure the temperature at the back of the panel, the Fluke Irradiance Meter comes with an attachable external probe. Tilt angle of a solar panel is important to maximize efficiency. Identify the ideal inclination of a panel by enabling the tilt function. For scenarios where the rooftop is not level, use the 0 function to calculate the real tilt. The location and direction of a panel determines the amount of irradiation absorbed. Get the direction of the panel in degrees by using the compass function on the IRR1 Irradiance Meter. Fluke offers multiple solutions for professionals. Complement the Fluke Irradiance Meter with our best-in-class portfolio of electrical test and measurement tools. To learn more about our solar solutions, please visit fluke.com. Thank you.